It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, Toot the boat. Morning, Wally the whale. Morning, Dolly the dolphin. There's Honk the car. Honk hears a sound. Toot the boat is calling Honk to come to the harbor. There's Dolly the dolphin. Dolly has found something. It's a bottle floating in the water.
"What's inside that bottle, Dolly?"
asked Toot. There's some paper rolled up inside, explains Dolly. Who would put paper in a bottle and put a cork on it? There's Swo-Swoosh the helicopter. Honk and Swo-Swoosh can't wait to see what Dolly has found. Maybe someone is sending us a message, says Honk. A message in a bottle.
"Let's open the bottle,"
says Swo-Swoosh. But who is going to open the bottle? Swo-Swoosh and Honk don't have hands and arms. Toot also doesn't have hands.
"Could you rabbits please help us open this bottle?"
asked Toot.
"But be careful, don't break the bottle. We don't want anyone to step in broken glass."
Well done, rabbits. Now let's see what's inside the bottle, says Honk. Oh dear, that message is stuck inside the bottle.
I know. Why doesn't Mr. Wriggle help us? He's nice and small and can fit inside the bottle,
says Swo-Swoosh. That's a very good idea, Swo-Swoosh, says Honk. Please, can you help us, Mr. Wriggle? Wriggle the worm was very pleased to be asked to help. He loved doing things nobody else could do.
I will push the message out. Can somebody take the other end?
Calls Wriggle the worm.
"Dear Honk and Swo-Swoosh, please can I be your friend? My name is Okki the Octopus, and I want to visit Springland."
Yippee! A new friend is coming to Springland, calls Honk.
"Look, everybody, your new friend has arrived,"
calls Toot.
Hello, everyone. My name is Okki the Octopus,
says Okki. Everyone was very pleased to meet a new friend, especially one who has 8 legs. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swo-Swoosh. See you next time.